I'm making this video so you can hand in your technical sketch properly. This is the second video like this that I'm creating, but I'm hoping this one is more complete. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Google Classroom, and you're going to find the course that you're in. Now, this is a dummy course I made, E-learning, so you would go into your 3D modeling course, go into classwork, second technical sketch. Here are the directions, and of course I'm going to open it up and view that. Here's the rubric down below. Make sure you check that and everything is ready to go, and your sketches, you took your photograph on your camera. I would suggest you use a phone. The Chromebooks are a little nasty, but they'll work. Pay attention to your line of sight, pay attention to the lighting that you're using, and try and frame as much of the background out of the photo, but we can crop that out. So I'm going to open up the Google drawing from inside the assignment, and the first thing we want to do is insert our photo. So I've taken my photo and I emailed it to my school account and I put it in my Google Drive. So I'm just going to go to Google Drive, and here's my photo. In the interest of not creating another sketch and photo, I'm using the 3D block, so don't get too excited. I'm going to rotate it first by going to Arrange, and in this case I'm going to go clockwise, and I'm going to move it to the center using those ruler lines, and then I'm going to go to Crop, and Crop allows me to take the background out. Now I'm using the little black bars, those little black grips there, to crop out my background, and you can just get close, you know, it's not a big deal. Don't use the blue ones, you want to use the black ones. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to put my cursor outside and select, so it deselects the cropping mode, and now I am in stretching mode. Now I'm going to stretch this using the corner blocks or the corner grips. Don't use the ones on the sides. That will actually change the ratio of the scale, and it'll look kind of nasty. And I can recenter that a little bit, and that should do it. I think I can recenter it. Well, there it is that way, and then let's go up that way. Okay, good. All right, so now I'm done, and that's close enough. That's good. And now I can see all the detail and all that kind of thing. So now you can close this if you like. When you go back into your assignment, you need to hit Turn It In, and then I know to grade it. If you don't use this format and you send me a PDF or a JPEG, I'm not going to grade it. It just takes me too long to process it to actually make it a markup or to mark up on it. This format allows me to do it rather quickly in comparison. As you know, nothing goes quick in this world of e-learning. So